26 November is the Indian Constitution Day, aka our very own Samvidhan Divas. Now, what is Constitution Day? Well, the day is celebrated to commemorate the adoption of the Constitution of India. Drafted by India's first Minister of Law and Justice, Dr. B.R. Ambedkar, the Indian Constitution aims to create awareness of fundamental duties as enshrined in the Constitution. The Constitution declares India a sovereign, socialist, secular and democratic republic, assuring its citizens justice, equality and liberty, and endeavours to promote fraternity. Let's tell you the lesser-known facts about Constitution Day. Did you know that the father of the Indian Constitution, Dr. B.R. Ambedkar, wanted to burn the Constitution which he himself had shaped? In his address to the Rajya Sabha on the 2nd of September 1953, Dr. Ambedkar argued strongly in favour of amending the Constitution while debating how the governor in the country should be invested with more powers. The Constitution wasn't typed or printed. Both the versions of the Constitution, Hindi and English, were handwritten. It is the longest handwritten constitution of any sovereign country in the world. And who wrote it? Prem Bihari Naren Raizada stole the limelight here. The original Constitution of India was handwritten by Prem Bihari in a flowing italic style with beautiful calligraphy. It was then published in Dehradun and photolithographed by the Survey of India. Now, did you ever notice the art and decoration on the Indian Constitution? Each page was uniquely decorated by artists from Shantiniketan, including Biohar Ram Manohar Sinha and Nandalal Bose. There are a total of 1,17,369 words in the English version of the Constitution of India, which contains 444 articles in 22 parts, 12 schedules, and 115 amendments. Now, this is interesting. Do you know where is the original copy of our Constitution? Well, the original copies are stored in special helium-filled cases in the Library of the Parliament of India. A total of 283 members of the Parliament had signed the original Constitution document at the Constitution Hall, which is now known as the Central Hall of Parliament in New Delhi. The basic structure of the Indian Constitution here stands on the Government of India Act 1935. And not one or two, it took nearly 3 years to write it down, and we aren't kidding here. The Constitution Assembly, which first met on 9th of December 1946, took precisely 2 years, 11 months and 18 days to come up with a final draft. Did you know 2,000 amendments were made to the first draft when the draft was prepared and put up for debate and discussion before it was finalized and adopted on the 26th of November 1949. The Indian Constitution was finally ready by 1949, but it came into effect on the 24th of January 1950 when it was signed by parliamentarians. We bet you weren't aware of all of this. For more such videos, do stay tuned.